Welcome to another Getaway adventure video. My name is Allison. We are going to meet with Austin in a bit. This is gonna be a whole different video that you're normally used to watching all 50 viewers of you. We are actually gonna be heading down to San Diego for the weekend. You'll find out in this video why we're going to San Diego. But for now, I want to start off this video. Please excuse the mess. I'm currently packing. Come with me to pack for our weekend trip to San Diego. I started this earlier saying that I was going to take you guys along as I pack, but I didn't because I ended up working. And I lost track of time and I ended up packing really quick. So next thing I knew, we're here at Alpine. But anyways, we're just gonna get some rest because we have to be up early. It's already 9:30, so catch you in the morning. Oh, here's Austin, by the way. I finally met up with him.
Made it.
Also, there are a bunch of
they're like plumbers. Like they might be union plumbers, but they're staying here. And they're so fired up. They've been drinking because it's the evenings, 9 o'clock on a Friday. But they're just talking about work. It's really funny. They're just like, that gate valve, and they made me rebuild it.
Like, you can hear them because they're literally right next door. It's nothing harmless. It's just funny. They're complaining about work at 9:30 p.m. on a Friday night.
Good morning.
Cold as that dog would be, but it is damp. Very damp though. I got biscuits and gravy. His favorite.
Good. Not bad.
I just got a bagel, just for now. I'm not that hungry. I just want coffee.
And we're off.
Got some coffee and breakfast. Now we're gonna head over and start filming. Yeah! Excited.
Lead the way, girl.
Have my phone. Oh, water and banana.
Can't forget the water. Neutral on the banana.
Right, so we just finished up at the first location. Not a lot of talking to the camera because it's kind of like boom, 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 boom.
We've been busy.
Yeah, we've been just shooting for the last 3.5 hours, and we just ate.
It's been fun.
Yeah, so it's been fun. We are going off to the second location, which is about 15 minutes away. So kind of taking a break right now, but we're gonna be at it again for the next 4 hours. So that will be fun. We'll kind of, I think this time we'll, now we kind of get an idea of what we're doing. Have you guys come along with us if we do a little of a B-roll action going on. We'll set you guys in the camera in the corner and kind of just watch us do our thing.
The fun fact, the one athlete, Eva, who's here, she's engaged as well, and her wedding date's the same as ours.
Yeah.
Which is ironic. It's
yeah,
just kind of
we're like talking, and she's like, oh, she just got engaged. Well, I asked her, I'm like, oh, when are you getting married? And she said October 3rd of this year.
And we started laughing.
Talk about coincidence, right? What a mess. So we just made it to the gym, CrossFit gym, and I have to go set up everything. So watch me as I set these cameras up. This is my setup I got going on right there. And we got camera 2 over here from this thing. Whoa, see?
Whoa, girl.
Gosh. See, this is why I don't trust myself. We got angle 2 for this. And we are officially done with day 1 of filming. We showed a little bit of B-roll. That was fun. Watching the workouts. Really tired.
They look fun.
It was fun. Like, I wanted to work out.
Yeah.
Right. We just finished, got to the hotel. Tired, but we got a lot of work done. We got a lot of what we needed, which is good.
Allison is going to transfer footage, and I, after watching people work out all day, I'm going to try to work out myself. I'm just going to go for a run. I don't run very far, as you can tell. Hey, let's get going. I'm gonna pick music. Fun fact, all uphill. Oh, that's cool. Town Hall, 1899. Oh, showtime. Oh, a neat little place. Huh. That's cool. I saw that on Yelp. I need razor blades. So, I ran to CVS. Not too bad, huh? Boom. Back to the hotel.
How would you run? You missed a great race, by the way. Heat number 2. Yeah, AP in the first heat. We'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, so Allison took a shower, we're all cleaned up, and we're gonna head out to dinner with Rue, the owner of RF Supplements, and the other fellow athlete slash, you know, Ava. You've probably seen her in the videos. But we're gonna
Fellow athlete. We use the word athlete loosely because
yes, we're not athletes.
Ava's a real athlete, and
Yeah.
we're weekend warriors.
Yeah, because we don't work out. Well, we do, but not at that level.
Yeah, not at that level.
Absolutely not.
Okay,
at
good,
that level.
good desertion. Good
Yeah.
desertion.
It's like we never left because the last shot was us getting in the truck, but we made it back. We didn't really record anything because it was just nice to talk to Rue and Ava, the other athlete that was here for the shoot. But now
I'm sorry, my nose, it's running.
we're gonna call it for today. We have another shoot date tomorrow, so we'll just see you guys in the morning. Good night.
Good morning. We slept like a ton of bricks.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go get some coffee and maybe a little breakfast this morning. Go down to the good old breakfast place, huh?
Pancake waffle.
Waffle. You said pancake. Yeah, we're pretty groggy. But good morning. Sure is beautiful out. It's cold with the birds. Let's roll, girlfriend. Yeah, it is colder this morning.
This room?
It was great. Thank you.
Great.
Goodbye.
Alright, we're headed out.
Time to go film.
What is it?
He said, I have the same truck, just dual drive. He said, oh, nice, right on.
We are
camera.
headed back to the house. Not our house. Jackie and Rue's house to meet up with everyone, and then we're gonna make it to the first location of the day. So, let's go.
Let's roll.
It's a way different weather compared to yesterday. It's actually clear skies. You can kind of see where we're at.
Last night it was sunny till the sun went down.
Cloudy.
It was cloudy till the sun went down either.
Yeah. Look how pretty it is out though. We made it here to the second location, which is we're gonna be focusing on we're on a trail. We're gonna focus on the runners, running athletes. I'm a little cold. It's a little chilly, not gonna lie to you. So this is actually the first time I've ever had photo shoots back to back, like at somewhere that's not home. So I brought every single battery that I own for both of my cameras and all my SD cards. You know, you went through on this camera 128 gigs. You went through it.
I believe that.
And that wraps up shoot day number 2. So if you guys aren't following, please go follow RF Supplements. They're an amazing brand, amazing people, and we just love them. But this is their protein powder that we've been drinking every day. And we have officially made end this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we're gonna be doing this round 2 next weekend. So catch you on the next adventure.